And today is my birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
You gotta turn the light on. Can nobody see you?
Thank you.
Okay. Alright. You like shoes?
Yeah, I like these.
You look nice. Y'all like the little chain. I bought them. Okay, come on. Let's go take your pictures.
Okay.
Say hey to the vlog, Ma.
Hey to the vlog.
Or say good morning.
Good morning. CJ birthday morning. And me and Moo trying to do this.
We about to put up a
assembly.
trampoline, y'all. A 14-inch trampoline at that.
14 feet.
Oh, shoot. 14 inches ain't that low compared to 14 feet. Oh, Lord. And look at Coco. Okay, let's go. You got the screwdrivers and stuff?
Oh no. Wonder which one.
Did you just buy a whole thing? Ow! Good morning, Chanel. Good morning, Chanel. Hey. 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 Okay. Let's go back here. Look at them. Come on, Coco. All right. This thing was heavy, y'all. This thing was so heavy. Okay. Lord. Look at Buddy.
You think we doing this wrong?
It's supposed to be one.
No, but look, this is a hole right here, but this the hole with the hole.
Oh, so we put it on the other side.
You think so?
This one got a little hole too. And that hole is not. Flip it around once, let's see if it makes a difference. If these holes gonna line up.
If we twist it, if we twist that part, it will.
Twist this hole.
Yeah.
Okay, y'all, so we moved the trampoline to over here by Chanel cage, so we won't be messing up all of the grass back there. Whew. Okay, now y'all see, now we putting the springs on. All right, y'all, so we got the mat up and got the springs. Oh, this thing is tight. All right, next step. So we got these poles up. No safety poles. Now we gotta slide something through the top, ma. And we almost finished. All right, y'all. Whoop, snap. We got this thing in here.
Make sure the connection points are covered by enclosure sleeves. Okay, that is. Now, attach plastic R cap to the curved end of the upper frame tube. Here we go. These are our tubes. Attach our cap to the curved end of the upper frame. Secure self-locking screw I and tighten. So, it's got the little hole.
Yeah.
No, I think it's this.
You say the curve? That's not the
But
curve end.
look at that little hole.
That's not the curve end.
It ain't, but that, okay, I. Where's screw I? No way I gonna fit in that big old hole. Is it?
Okay, well.
Let's see. Because the hole looks so small there.
Okay.
And look at it. Do it fit in there though?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it. Let's see
Do the top?
Oh, no, for this. I think that's the curve in.
No. Yeah, keep it like that. So it could look like it bulge out. Look at Coco. Like she doing so much work. And she done knocked the food over.
Okay.
He went in?
Yeah.
Alright, let me get the other one.
Yeah, all the way around.
Okay, y'all. Look at Coco. This is what we got so far. When I tell y'all this thing is humongous. This thing is humongous. We've been working on this for 3 hours and we almost done. Almost done. What is this? What kind of, what? Can you even see it? What kind of bug is this?
It's really good.
Coco is
Just
chilling.
gonna put the net on, and then we should be complete. Trying to get done before he. Okay, we finished his trampoline. Tamisha's testing it out now. Well, Moomoo's, we finished. Take two. Okay, take two. We finally finished the trampoline. Moo is testing it out. Everything is holding up great. We started about 9:30 this morning and it's about 1:45. We had a couple hiccups, but we got it done. So when he gets off the school bus, he'll be excited. His trampoline is up for his birthday. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a hell of a day.
Gotta go out to eat.
Oh! The trampoline! Oh my goodness!
Okay, sock falling off.
Happy birthday, CJ!
Thank you! Yes!
You like it?
Yes!
Okay.
At least she ain't barking.
You don't want to jump.
Yes!
Slow.
Guys, I own trampoline.
The balloon had popped my. Uh-oh.
Me
I thought you was coming like this way.
We was like, I told you I was coming through the
No, I thought you was coming through the side.
I want to go in. We all was like,
And then they said, what if they coming out the other
I'll
way?
be mad. Mom was like, no, I think they coming from that way.
I thought we had discussed the plans.
Well, shoot, y'all heard them. Oh my God.
Turned the wrong way.
Well, he about to go tell his friends? Oh, okay. Okay, hello.
Trampoline that booty. Yeah. Now, how do I get in?
What you say? Okay.
Like a little kid.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Okay, you ready? Why don't they listen to me now? Jesus! I don't know why they don't listen.
It's from Takasha.
It's from your guy, mommy. Take a good picture, man, again so I can post it on Facebook.
Come on.
Hey guys, and today is my birthday. And I'm gonna be turning 8, so don't judge me. Why would I? I don't look like I'm 8. I'm 8. I look like I'm 10 or 9. Because some people.
That's because you tall, that's it.
Yeah. Okay. So, we're gonna be going.
We're going to TGI Friday.
TGI Fridays. And yeah, and I'm gonna get more presents. And did you see my trampoline? And you like the shirt I got? Dude, it's my birthday. Do you like these new shoes? I got these white pants on. Yeah, and are we almost there? Okay. How long is it?
Like 15 minutes.
We're 15 minutes away. So I'll see you guys when we're there. So bye.
Nay. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Me?
No, Nay. Wow. What we doing?
In the car. Because look, it's raining hard. It is raining.
Ooh, my camera about to die.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear CJ. Happy birthday to you.
Can I have your iPhone, please?
Yeah, put the phone down, bro.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Absolutely. Happy
Yeah.
birthday, CJ.
Look.
Happy birthday.
My camera about to die.
Pull it up. What?
Oh my goodness.
What?
Thank you.
Oh my goodness.
What is it?
It's an iPhone 6.
It's smelling. What color you get?
I think.
Open it.
Okay.
You gotta go fast. My camera about to die.
Fast, just pull it for us. Right, leave it.
Now they all broke up.
You gotta go one.
The same thing.
CJ, can I have that?
Give me your number.
Take the case off.
Give me your number. Code.